What is up, YouTube? This your boy Lee with Can You Hear Me? Back in with another video. I finally got my wheels in. I'm not going to show like what they are yet. Are they wide spoke, 8 spoke, 6 spoke, 5 spoke? I will not show until they're on the car. But yes, they finally came in. They're custom made. So it took them a little bit to make them because they made them straight from scratch. I guess that's why they call them custom made. But yeah, man, they're finally here. I can't wait to put them on the car. I'm gonna put them on later today. They are Vertini wheels, but like I said, I'm not going to show until they're on the vehicle. So stay tuned. Also, if you're triggered about them sitting on my car like this, they're already in the car. I'm so ready to put these on. Like I'm so ready to get rid of these, man. Y'all just do not know how long I've been waiting for this to happen. So my wrap should be coming in today. Only thing I'm gonna give away is the hood's gonna stay the same. It's gonna stay matte black. I'm just rewrap it because I don't know if you guys can see, but I stretched it a little bit too far right there. The hood's gonna get wrapped matte black, and the trunk gonna get wrapped matte black. Also, performance upgrade. I've been emailing around for the stuff I wanted. Like, I'm gonna give one away, a cam. The cam I wanted, it's on back order right now. I emailed just in case, because I don't know if y'all are like me, but I hate ordering stuff and they're on back order. I don't know, I'm weird with my money. Like, once I order, I want to either ship that same day or that next day. Like, I hate waiting on orders. That is only one thing I'm gonna give away. I'm not gonna give away anything else. Slowly but surely, this car is about to turn out like, man, like I'm so happy right now. Also, thinking of buying another car. I didn't give y'all a startup whenever I got my headers done, so here's like a cold, warm startup. This one's so nice. Oh my God. This is so sexy. It pokes out the hood like this. Might be the car I'm buying. More updates on that. Oh, that is so sexy. Where the cat's at? So I just got made an offer. So the guy that's putting on my tires right now, he's the one that also put on my headers. He said if I was to give him my stock wheels, stock tires, whatever, he would do my cam half price. Now, if y'all don't know, cam install prices are expensive. I really think I'm gonna take him up on that offer. Can y'all please tell me how do y'all feel about how far these tips stick out? Yes, this one does need to come up a little bit more, but I love how it looks from the back. right, so I finally got home. As soon as I got home, my wraps came in. Lowering springs will be coming in soon. Some people are gonna ask me what tire size did I go with. So for the rears, I went with 305s. For the fronts, I went with 275s. I wanted to go with 315s on the back, but they told me it was gonna be rubbing. I highly doubt that this is supposed to shoot like this. Could be wrong. But it works. Y'all see me doing it wrong, let me know. I look, I'm using it wrong. I'm in love. Oh my God, dude. I still gotta clean the tips. But all in all, yes. That looks, oh my God. I'm in love. That wheel gap gotta go. All right, Sky. Whatever, dude. I ain't talking to you no more. Baby ball. So what we need you to start doing is making some videos.
Oh, not sus boat.
Yes, sus boat. Man, that FA looks good, bro. Red brim rose. I've never seen this before, though. Nah, bro, it still looks good. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna end today's video right here. I want to give a special shout out to P&H Tire for getting me hooked up with my tires, man. Go give them guys a follow. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment any questions that you guys have, browse the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. And I'm out.